Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming coupon eligibility and basic account settings. Check the coupon expiration date and country restrictions before redeeming it. Confirm the coupon type explicitly. It may be a free trial, percentage off, or fixed amount. Make sure your Apple ID billing country matches the coupon country for redemption. Also verify you are signed in to the correct Apple ID on your device. If a family sharing plan applies, check if the coupon supports family. Open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad and tap your profile icon. Tap Redeem Gift Card or Code, then choose Use Camera or enter code manually. Enter or paste the code exactly and tap Redeem to apply it to your account. After redeeming, open Settings and tap Subscriptions to confirm the discount or trial applied to Apple Music. If prompted, agree to subscription terms and confirm payment details for any remaining balance or future billing cycles. On a Mac, open the Music app or App Store and choose Account, then Redeem. On Windows, open iTunes, sign in, and select Account, then Redeem to enter the coupon code. Enter the code carefully and click Redeem to apply the credit or trial to Apple Music. If the coupon still fails, sign out and sign back into your Apple ID or try redeeming on a different device. Contact Apple support if errors persist or if the coupon has regional or subscription restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.